even though this is the final part of the video, it's going to be first. We are here, and you're going to see it come right around the corner. There's a banana-shaped car that's giving not technically free rides, but basically they're asking for a donation for a local pet rescue, which I mentioned later in the video who it goes for. And I actually wrote it probably half an hour or so ago. That was just anyways, I'm getting anyways, sorry I'm babbling. I'm kind of have a bit of a brain fart. But anyways, I heard about this. There's gonna be a banana-shaped car giving rides here for a fundraiser for a local pet rescue, which like I said, I put it below what I'm gonna do. And I'm not thinking too well right now. I don't know why. I think I'm just tired. But anyways, this is the intro to that video. A horrible intro, I know. A babbling intro, I know. But intro nonetheless. It was a cool ride, and I'm gonna take you along with me now. Yeah. When I pulled up, it was just taken away. Good sized line. He was probably maybe 5 minutes away, so not too long. Or the ride he did took. I want to show him pulling up. That is definitely a different kind of vehicle. I just happened to hear about this event yesterday, so this definitely was not what I was planning on doing today. Definitely not going to be interesting. Not going to be easy to get into that thing though. Look, there's license plate is split. They're like banana split. That's funny. Zoom in on that. It looks like I think it's a Michigan license plate. Yeah. Zoom in on that. That's cool. I'll explain more at the end what this is for. This is benefiting a charity. It's just a donation to ride the car. Whatever you can afford to give is what I've been told. So that's pretty cool, and I think it's worth it, definitely. It's definitely not going to be easy to get into. Yeah, it's taking place in a parking lot of a Long John Silver's AW/restaurant. It took off again. Like I said, I put more information about what charity they're raising money for, but it's the Crossed Paws Pet Rescue. This is taking place in Auburndale, Florida. And the ride that I seen that he left, it was only about 5 minutes, so I still gotta be at least an hour wait before I get up there. We'll see. This is cool. I'm going to be riding a giant banana car. This is cool. A little squishy, but not too squishy. Surprisingly, it is cool. Okay. Okay, ready? Yep. awesome.
Camera, right?
Yes. Thank you. What are you doing today? But I'm glad it came.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got a really cool car here. Thank you.
This is awesome.
He didn't even come back for his basket. Did he ever leave? Oh yeah.
Some information about the car.
He never took his basket.
Line up 4 chairs to determine the amount of space needed to make the vehicle a little faster. A vehicle at 4-seater, then green light needed to make it look as though you know what you're doing. He used a 1993 Ford F-150 pickup. That's what he used. It's like he removed all the sheet metal parts, leaving just a frame with all the suspension parts and engine still attached, and then grumble about how rusty everything is. Yeah, I bet. It looks like he actually chose an actual banana to take the lines. Scan those with a computer. Well, I can just imagine. Fill the full-size cutout slices for the 4 chassis and wrap rebar all the key points to create a skeleton shape of a banana. I'm already really lost. Okay, so there's not too many more. Let's create a metal wire frame. Remove the wooden forms and roll up the sleeves, and you're sure that welding splatters burn. Okay. Cover the finished metal with chicken wire. He added Turvic inside the chicken wire to vent, blow through, spray the outside with foam. Sculpted the foam to a nice banana shape as using saws, sure foam. He makes it sound like it's easy in a lot of ways, but I know it wasn't. Cover the Fish shaped with fiberglass. So let's see. Spent hours and hours in sandy and filling and sand and fill some more. Whoops.
I must say that dog that my neighbors have.
Big band of cars featured on a TV show America's Got Talent with Heidi Klum, Melby, Howard Mandel, and Simon Cowell. That's them. That's awesome. Looks like it was used in a Chase Bank TV commercial. Filmed at Corky's Diner in Vadnoy and Sherman Oaks.
Right here. I got it.
Looks like someone used to have in a photo shoot. On the left is Big Ange from the TV show Mob Wives, and right is Alexander Ambrosio, Victoria's Secret model. Look at this, an LL Bean bootmobile. I didn't even know there was such a thing. This is cool. Looks like it was used in a TV show featuring the rapper T-Pain. Now there it is with the Wienermobile. This is cool. There's a Ghostbusters one. This is awesome.
It's a donation to Crossed Paws to ride the banana car. Okay.
Different cool themed cars.
From each of us. Yeah, that's fine. And you can put it in the bucket and just the line. Just get it. Thank you.
This is cool.
There's also a board that you got to read, and then you welcome to look and see how he made the. Just put it right through the top.
Awesome, a lot of cool pictures.
How he made the banana car and everything. Okay.
Awesome.
That's cool.
It is cool.
We plan on doing our princess way.
That's awesome.
Oh.
How awesome that thing is. That was a cool ride, and that's an awesome looking vehicle, and the guy was really nice who drove it. Yeah, that's a cool experience. Put all the information below, check it out. And let's show a little bit of the front. Look at that thing. That's cool. Really gotta appreciate it by being on the side like this. But okay, that's cool. Stand back over here. Just go around his way. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh, one final thing. This is the charity that's handling this fundraiser that the money's being made for. It's Crossed Paws Pet Rescue, and this is where they're located in Auburndale, which isn't too far from here. I actually talked to the owner, and she was really nice. Gave her my card. There's a thrift shop in back. Benefits Crossed Paws Pet Rescue. Make sure you check them out. If you can donate, help them out. These rescues do a lot of good work. Alright, we're leaving. We're just going to drive by it and show you it again. That thing's cool. Look at that thing. I gotta say, that's probably one of the most awesomest things I ever did. That was a lot of fun. That was cool. Okay, that was cool, guys.